Okay, very good morning to everyone. Welcome to PyCube Learning. Let us see how to find the area of a triangle. So actually you know how to find the area of a triangle, that is half into B into H. That you would have learnt earlier classes. B is nothing but base of a triangle and H is nothing but height of a triangle. This is H and this is B. So we used to use the formula half into B into H. But now let us see how to find the area of a triangle when three sides are given. For example, I have taken a triangle A, B, C. Suppose this is 20 meter and this is 11 meter and this is 18 meter. So when I am comparing these two triangles, here I know the base and height, but here I know only the three sides. So what is missing? Yes, height is missing. Actually height is very important to the area of the triangle, but here height is missing. So instead of height, when three sides are given, how to find the area of the triangle, the concept here today you are going to learn. So here I am using the formula, Heron's formula. So today let us see how to find area of a triangle using Heron's formula. So what is Heron's formula? So we have a formula to find the area of a triangle. This is Heron's formula. The formula is square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So now you may ask me what is s, what is a, what is b, what is c. So here I said b is nothing but base, height is nothing but height. But here what is s, what is a, what is b, what is c. So of course A, B, C are the three sides what is given. So for example A may be 20 meter and B is 11 meter and C is 18 meter. Even you can write A is 18 meter, B is 20 meter and C is 11 meter also can be taken. So this A, B, C is nothing but the three sides what is given. And what is S? So S is nothing but semi-perimeter of a triangle. What do you mean? Perimeter you would have learnt in the earlier classes. So perimeter is nothing but sum of all the sides. What do you mean by semi-perimeter? You would have learned semicircle. So what is semicircle? It's a circle. When the circle is divided into two equal parts, that is semicircle. So here semi-perimeter means the perimeter is divided by 2 is nothing but semi-perimeter. So that is S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. So what is A plus B plus C? It's a perimeter. Since it's a semi-perimeter, the formula is S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Semi-perimeter, the first word is S, so that is what? S. So once again, the formula let us recall. The Heron's formula is nothing but square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This A, B, C are three sides of a triangle and S is nothing but semi-perimeter of a triangle, that is S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Semi means half, so the perimeter is divided by 2. So let me give one example. So suppose there is a park which is the shape of a triangle whose sides are given as 15 meter, 11 meter and 6 meter. So let me take one triangle. It's a park. One of the sides is 15 meter, the another one is 11 meter and the next one is 6 meter. Shall I use the formula half into B into H? I cannot. As I said, your height is not given. Instead, three sides are given. So what's the formula to be used? Yes, Heron's formula to be used. So just now I said Heron's formula, square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, and S is nothing but semi-perimeter. So it has two steps. Step 1, we have to find S. Directly I cannot find Heron's formula. First I should find S. So this S is nothing but A plus B plus C divided by 2. So what is A? 15 meter and what is B? 11 meter, and what is C? 6 meter. Even I can take A as 11, B as 6 and C as 15 also, it is our wish. So A is equal to 15 meter plus B is 11 meter plus and C is 6 meter divided by 2. So S equal to 15 plus 11 plus 6 by 2. Can I say the total? Yes, 11 plus 6 is 17. 17 plus 15 is 32. 32 by 2 is 16. So S is nothing but 16 meter. So this is what step 1 you have to find S. When Heron's formula is asked, there are 2 steps. Step 1 you should find S, that is nothing but semi-perimeter. So the answer is 16 meter. Now step 2 only I should take the formula, Heron's formula, that is area of a triangle. So whenever you are finding anything using the formula, don't write the formula alone. You're supposed to write what is equal to. So area of a triangle is equal to, the formula is, can you recall the formula? S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. It's very simple. I know A, B, C and S we have found. Just you substitute. So which is equal to square root of S is 16. So this is replaced by 16 bracket S minus A. So 16 minus 15 into S minus B. S is 16 and B is 11. So 16 minus 11. S minus C. S is 16 and C is 6. So 16 minus 6. So let me complete the bracket separately. So which is equal to, the 16 you write as it is. 16 minus 15 we know that is 1. 16 minus 11 is 5 and 16 minus 6 is 10. And here what we will do usually, we will multiply 60 into 5 into 10, we will get one answer. The answer we have to find the square root. So instead, let me tell you one shortcut. I have 4 numbers. Instead of multiplying and finding the square root, for these 4 numbers, let me do the prime factorization. So this 1 is neither prime nor composite. You just leave it. I am going to find prime factorization for 16 and 10. Why 5 should not be considered? 5 is a prime number. So the 16 and 10, I am going to do the prime factorization. This prime factorization you would have learned earlier in 3rd standard or 4th standard. But once we can recall, so 16 I am going to do the prime factorization. That means I should divide only by the prime number. Even 16 is divisible by 4 table. But 4 4s are 16, I should not take because this 4 is not a prime number. It should be divided only by the prime number. So let me take 2, it's an even number. So 2 8s are 16. Shall I take 8 table? No, because 8 is not a prime number. Again let me take 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. You should stop once you get 1. So the 16 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. So which is equal to, right, 2 4 times 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So the 16 over. This 1 is neither prime nor composite. You leave as it is, not to be included. This 5 is a prime number. It has to be written. So into 5. Now the next one, 10 I am going to the prime factorization. Hope you can do in your notebook. It's very simple. It's divisible by 2. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. So these are all called factors. The factors are 2 and 5. So you just write 2 into 5. Hope you understand so far what I taught. Then next let us see how to find the square root. So instead of doing the long division, here I am going to make as a pair. So let me count how many 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2. So 2 you just write together 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. Okay, just draw a line. The next number is a 5. How many times? 2 times. So you write 5 into 5. So square root is nothing but a pair of numbers. So let me take it as a pair. 2 and 2 is a pair. This again 2 and 2 is a pair. And 5 and 5 is a pair. This 2 doesn't have a pair. Let it be. For a pair, I should take only one number to take outside. So 2, and this pair 1, 2, and this pair 1, 5. This 2 doesn't have a pair. You are supposed to write only inside the square root. Now let me multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, so equal to 20. This is square root 2 centimeters square. This is very important. Whenever you are finding area, the answer should be in square units. So let me repeat. Do the prime factorization, write down the factors, and then you have to segregate it. So 2 5 times, so 2 I have grouped, and 5 2 times, 5 also I have grouped, make into pair. So 1 pair, 2 pair, and the third pair. This 2 doesn't have a pair, let it be. So for 1 pair I should take only one number outside. So 2 and 5. This number has no pair, let it be inside the square root, don't take outside. So this has to be multiplied. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 20 into root 2. 20 and root 2 cannot be multiplied because this root 2 is an irrational number you would have learnt in chapter 1. So the answer is 20 root 2 centimeters square. Thank you, children.